Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to solve triangle problems. We have learned about sine rule, cosine rule, and how to calculate the area of the triangle. Now we should know how to use them to solve the complex one. So let's quickly recap. For the sine rule, you can find an angle if you know the two sides and one opposite angle. So in the diagram, we can see we know the side AC and BC, and also we know the angle ABC. So you can find the angle A by using sine rule. And also you can using sine rule to find an unknown side if you know two angles and one opposite side. So then in the diagram, we know the angle A and angle B and also the side BC. We want to find the side AC. So we can use the sine rule. If you want to use the cosine rule, so it means you want to find an unknown angle if you know three sides of this triangle, or you want to find an unknown side if you know two sides and the angle between of these two sides to find the left side. And the area of the triangle, you know the two sides of the triangle and the angle between of them, so you can calculate the area of that. Here is an example question. A flower bed as shown in the diagram and asks you to find the distance A is from B, the angle BAD, and the area of ABCD. So let's first look at part A question. It asks you to find the distance A is from B, that is the side AB. So we want to find this one. If you want to use the sine rule and the cosine rule, we have to have triangles, but in here we don't have that. Well, we can make two triangles. We link BD. So we have the two triangles, that is triangle BCD and the triangle BAD. So we link BD. Now let us see the triangle ABD. We know the side AD and other thing we don't know. So how do we find the side AB? We can see that we know the angle ADC. It seems that we can find the angle ADB. And if we know the angle ADB and side A and side AD, what we are missing to use a cosine rule to find side AB, that is side BD. So firstly, let's look at how to get the side AD and the side BD. Now, in the triangle BCD, we can see that we know the two sides BC and CD, and also the angle between of these two sides. So we can find the side BD by using cosine rule. We write down that BD squared equals to BC squared plus CD squared minus 2BC times CD times cosine the angle BCD. So BD equals to square root of that. Right? And we substitute values into the formula. We have the square root of BC squared, that is 85 squared, plus 90 squared minus 2 times 85 times 90 times cosine 55 degree equals to 80.928 to 3 decimal places. Now we have so that we get the side BD. And the next step, we need to find the angle ADB. Then we can use the cosine rule. You can see that you know the angle ADC. What we require to find the angle ADB is angle BDC. So the angle ADB equals to the angle ADC minus the angle BDC. We want to get the angle BDC. Still, we look at the triangle BCD. We know the angle BCD and the opposite side BD. We have calculated. And we know the opposite side for the angle BDC, that is BC. So we can use a sine rule to do that. We can write down that sine angle BDC over BC equals to sine angle BCD. The opposite side is BD. Thus, the angle BDC equals to sine minus 1 bracket sine angle BCD over BD times BC bracket. And then we substitute the values into the formula. We have sine minus 1 bracket sine 55 degree over BD, that is 80.928 times BC, which is 85. That equals to 59.358 to 3 decimal places. Now we know the angle BDC. We can get the angle ADB. The angle ADB equals to 130 degree minus 59.358 degree equals to 70.642 degree to 3 decimal places. Now, what we know? We know the side AD, we know the angle ADB, and the side BD. So we can use the cosine rule to find the side AB. In triangle ABD, we have AB squared equals to AD squared plus BD squared. AD squared plus BD squared minus 2 times AD times BD times cosine the angle ADB. So AB equals to square root of that. I don't repeat it writing. And we substitute values that equals to the square root of 60 squared. Yeah, is it 60? Yeah, it's 60. And BD, that is plus 80.928. squared minus 2 times 60 times 80.928 times cosine the angle ADB is here, so 70.642 that equals to 83.2 to 3 significant figures. So the length, the side AB, is 83.2 meters to 3 significant figures. Don't forget the unit. So we have done the part A question. Now let's look at for part B. It asks you to find the angle BAD. How do we do that? So if you look at the triangle ABD, let me change the color. You want to find the angle BAD. We know the opposite side of the angle BAD is BD. We got this value. And also we know the angle BDA. We also get this one. From part A, we get the side AB. So we can use the sine rule to get the angle BAD. Let us see. So that is for part B for convenient. Let me redraw the graph. So we know BD, we know angle ADB, and we know AD. We want to find the angle BAD. We also know this side from the part A. So we can use the sine rule. In the triangle ABD, sine angle BAD over, so BAD its opposite side is BD over BD equals to, we know the angle BDA, so that is sine angle BDA. The opposite is the AB, so over AB. Thus, the angle BAD equal to sine minus 1 bracket sine angle BDA over AB times BD. And then we substitute values into this equation. We have sine minus 1 bracket sine the angle BDA we got from the part A over here. So it's 70.642 sine 70.642 degree over AB, that is 83.2. BD, let us find that it's over here. So it's 80.928. We times it. Equals to 66.6 degree to 3 significant figures. That is the answer for part B. Now let us see part C. Part C, question asks you to find the area of the ABCD. Now, we can see that the area of the ABCD equals to the sum of the two areas of the triangles. So, the area of the triangle BCD plus the area of the triangle BDA. Let us see the triangle BCD. We know the side BC and CD, also the angle between of these two sides. So we can calculate the area of that. That is half times BC times CD times sine angle BCD. That is for the triangle BCD. Now look at the triangle BDA. We know the side AB and also we know the side AD. The angle between of that, we also get it from the part B question. So we can write down that the area of the triangle BDA equals to half times AB times AD times sine angle BAD. And then we can substitute the values into it. So equals to half times 85 times 90 times sine 55 degrees plus half times, so AB, the side AB is 83.2 times AD, that is 60, times sine, the angle BAD is here, 66.6 degree. And you tap them into the calculator, you will get 5,420 meters squared to 3 significant figures. So that is the end of the question. Probably here is a summary of this lesson. The triangle question seems to be complex. It's just use sine rule, cosine rule repeatedly. Well, it's time consuming. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.